Does anyone else have a dad that just kind of makes fun of their dog? Like, for the past few nights, my dad has given Teddy an insult each time I brought him up to my bedroom, like right before I went up. Let's see. Tonight he said that Teddy gives midgets a bad name. The night before he said that he looks like a dusty, musty Swiffer that has not been changed in a year. And once he said that Teddy was adopted and no one ever wanted him. Does anyone else's dad just do that to their dogs? Or is it just mine?